Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure the skill builder is unlocked and your character is level ready. Equip light foot gear to reduce recovery. Once done, bind the pounce to a comfortable key and assign a quick cancel for adjustment. You initiate the fluttering motion by tapping the pounce key twice rapidly while holding a directional input. This creates the initial momentum. Why this matters? The gear and bindings directly affect timing windows and consistency. You now focus on the complex middle steps, timing and layering. Tap pounce twice within about 1/4 of a second to trigger the fluttering state. Practice until that window becomes reflex. While airborne, use short directional nudges to steer. Small inputs change arc without breaking the flutter. Once comfortable, layer a light attack or an evasive dodge at the end of the flutter to extend recovery frames and chain into follow-ups. Make sure to monitor stamina so you don't clip the motion. You finish by executing the landing and adding a clear troubleshooting tip. Land into a ground reset or immediate combo finisher to convert the flutter into damage or repositioning. Once done, review your inputs in practice mode. If the flutter is inconsistent, deliberately slow your taps until you find the exact timing, then speed back up. If problems persist, make sure to adjust controller sensitivity or rebind the pounce to a different key. Small hardware issues often masquerade as technique.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.